important concept that you also often hear of is global liquidity. So global liquidity, as we understand it, that works in terms of asset markets, is heavily driven by central bank liquidity and central bank balance sheet, not by the money supply itself. So the real global liquidity that I have found to be quite accurate, this one, Global Liquidity Index, most like one, 6.1K. You see, very similar, tops, bottoms, tops, bottoms. Tops right here to the altcoin market, to ETH BTC ratio, bottoms right around here, tops right around here. What is contributing to this global liquidity index? Well, you can go into the settings and you see very clearly here. It comes from the Federal Reserve System, which is Fed balance sheet, among other things, the Treasury General Account, the TGA we have mentioned, the reverse repo account, which we have also mentioned that has been draining, and the ECB central bank balance sheet, the PBOC's central bank balance sheet, and BOJ, Bank of Japan central bank balance sheet, and other central banks, albeit a lot smaller. But what's very interesting is that by default, you should not include the money stock because the money stock is way too big and always expanding because the money printer is always on, and that will actually dilute the signal. So you don't want to include M2. Instead, you want to focus on central bank liquidity and US Treasury liquidity, such as the Treasury General Account and the reverse repo facility. To follow my Bitcoin trades, go to virtualbacon.com for a copy trading tutorial.